What if I told you that by 2026, the world as we know it will be fundamentally different? And not in a sci-fi movie kind of way, but in the practical, everyday ways we live, work, and interact. The keys to this transformation are already in our hands, evolving at lightning speed. Curious? You should be, because in the next 10 minutes, we're going to pull back the curtain on the top 10 technology trends that will define 2026. Stick around because number 1 might just change your life. Let's dive right in with number 10, digital immune systems. Think of this as a super-powered guardian for all things digital. It's not just about antivirus software anymore. A digital immune system is an AI-driven approach that can predict, prevent, and automatically recover from system failures and cyber threats. In 2026, this means fewer frustrating glitches, less downtime for the services you rely on, and a much more secure online experience. Companies will be able to build services that are not just robust, but resilient, almost like a biological organism that can heal itself. This shift from fix it when it breaks to prevent it from ever breaking is a quiet revolution happening in the background, making our digital lives smoother and safer. Coming in at number 9 is Applied Observability. It sounds technical, but the concept is simple. It's about understanding a system not just by looking at its outputs, but by deeply analyzing all the data it produces. Imagine trying to understand why you're feeling unwell just by taking your temperature. That's the old way. Applied Observability is like getting a full diagnostic scan blood work. MRI, the works but for software and business processes. By 2026, companies will use this to get an incredibly detailed, real-time picture of what's happening. This means they can optimize everything from website loading speeds to supply chains, leading to better products, fewer errors, and a more personalized customer experience for you and me. At number 8, we have AI Trust, Risk, and Security Management, or AI TRiSM. As artificial intelligence becomes more powerful and integrated into our lives, from hiring decisions to medical diagnoses, we need to ensure it's fair, reliable, and secure. AI TRiSM is a framework to do just that. It's about building in guardrails for AI models to ensure they are explainable, their decisions are transparent, and they are protected from being tampered with. By 2026, you won't just hear companies say our AI is trustworthy. They'll have to prove it. This focus on ethical and responsible AI will be crucial for building public trust and unlocking the full positive potential of artificial intelligence. Next up, at number 7, is the rise of industry cloud platforms. For years, the cloud has been a generic, one-size-fits-all solution. Different industries have very different needs. A hospital's data requirements are worlds apart from a car factory's. Industry cloud platforms are specialized, pre-packaged cloud solutions tailored for specific sectors like healthcare, finance, or manufacturing. They combine standard cloud services with industry-specific tools and applications. By 2026, this means businesses can innovate faster without having to build everything from scratch. This leads to more rapid advancements in specialized fields, accelerating progress across the board. Cracking the top half of our list at number 6 are platform engineering and superapps. Let's start with platform engineering. Imagine your favorite restaurant. You don't see the complex kitchen operations, the supply ordering, or the staff scheduling. You just enjoy a delicious meal. Platform engineering does the same for software developers. Creates a smooth, self-service internal platform that provides developers with all the tools they need so they can focus on creating great features instead of wrestling with complex infrastructure. This directly fuels the rise of our second concept here, Superapps. A superapp is an application that does it all: messaging, social networking, payments, shopping, services, all in one place. Think of it as a digital Swiss Army knife. While popular in some parts of the world, by 2026, we'll see this model go global. By combining the efficiency of platform engineering with the all-in-one convenience of superapps, companies will create seamless ecosystems that become an indispensable part of our daily routines. At number 5, we have adaptive AI. Traditional AI models are static. They're trained on a set of data and then deployed. But the world changes, and they can quickly become outdated. Adaptive AI systems are different. They're designed to learn and modify their behavior in real time after they've been deployed. They continuously retrain themselves based on new data and user feedback, allowing them to adapt to changing circumstances on the fly. By 2026, this will be the standard. From financial trading algorithms that adjust to market volatility to personalized learning apps that adapt to a student's progress, adaptive AI will make our technology smarter, more responsive, and far more effective in a constantly evolving world. Entering our top 4 is a trend that will reshape our digital identity, decentralized identity, and the broader Web3 ecosystem. Right now, our online identities, our logins, our data, our profiles are controlled by large corporations. Decentralized identity, powered by blockchain technology, puts you back in control. Imagine a secure digital wallet that holds your verified credentials, your driver's license, your diploma, your proof of age that you can share without giving away unnecessary personal data. By 2026, this concept will mature beyond crypto enthusiasts and become a foundational layer of the internet. It's known as Web3. It promises a more private, secure, and user-centric web, where you own and control your digital self. This isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a fundamental shift in power back to the individual. In the top 3, we have the Metaverse. Now forget the hype and the clunky avatars for a moment. By 2026, the Metaverse won't just be about gaming. It will be a persistent, shared virtual space where we can work, learn, socialize, and shop in immersive ways. Think virtual meeting rooms that feel more engaging than a video call, or trying on clothes in a virtual store from your living room. The key drivers will be advancements in augmented and virtual reality, making the experience more seamless and realistic. While a fully realized single metaverse is still a long way off, by 2026, we'll see a collection of powerful, interconnected metaverse platforms become integral to both our professional and social lives, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Our runner-up at number 2 is sustainable technology. The tech industry has a massive environmental footprint, from the energy consumed by data centers to the e-waste generated by discarded devices. This is no longer acceptable. Sustainable technology is a framework that requires technology to be environmentally, socially, and economically sustainable. By 2026, this will be a top priority for every major company. We're talking about AI-optimized energy grids, more efficient cloud computing, materials science breakthroughs for recyclable electronics, and supply chains tracked for their ethical and environmental impact. This isn't just about being green. It's about ensuring the long-term viability of our technological progress. Consumers and investors alike will demand it, making sustainability a core measure of a company's success. And now, the number 1 technology trend that will define 2026. The one that underpins almost everything else on this list is generative AI. We've seen a glimpse of its power with tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney, but we are only at the very beginning of this revolution. By 2026, generative AI will move from being a novelty to an essential tool democratized for everyone. It will co-write our emails, help us code software, design products, compose music, and even accelerate scientific discovery by generating and testing new hypotheses. It will augment human creativity and productivity on a scale we've never seen before. It will become an embedded co-pilot in nearly every application we use, fundamentally changing how we create, learn, and solve problems. The ability to harness generative AI will be the single most important skill for the future of work and innovation. So there you have it, from digital immune systems to the creative explosion of generative AI. These 10 trends are the building blocks of our near future. The world of 2026 is being built today, and understanding these shifts is the first step to being a part of it. Which of these trends are you most excited or concerned about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this journey into the future insightful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you do not miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.